Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a Google Meet invite using Gmail. This is a simple yet powerful way to schedule meetings and ensure everyone you want to attend gets the invitation directly in their inbox. Let's walk through this step by step so you can get it done quickly and efficiently. First, open Google Meet in your browser. Once you're there, locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner, click on it, and you'll see options to adjust your audio and video settings. Take a moment to configure these according to your preferences, ensuring that your microphone and camera work properly. You'll also find general settings here to help you customize your meeting experience further. Now, to create your meeting, select the New Meeting option. You'll be given three choices: create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. If you choose to schedule in Google Calendar, a form will appear where you can enter all the important details. Fill in the meeting title, date, time, and an optional description to give your participants context. You can also add a location if needed, adjust notification preferences, and customize other settings to suit your needs. In the guest section, add the email addresses of the participants you want to invite. This will automatically send them an invitation via Gmail, ensuring everyone receives the details in their inbox. You can also adjust guest permissions, such as allowing them to make changes to the event, invite others, or simply view the guest list. Once you've added all the necessary information and double-checked everything, click Save to finalize the meeting. This schedules the meeting and sends the invitations to all your guests automatically. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily organize meetings and keep your team or friends on the same page. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.